What if I told you analyzing a poem is less about being smart and more about being observant? Whether it's Shakespeare, Eliot, or Kamala Das, I'll show you a simple way to decode any poem step by step. Step 1. Read twice, feel once. First, read. Just feel it. Don't try to decode anything yet. Let the poem wash over you like a song or a dream. Then, on the second read, ask yourself, what's the tone here? Is the poet angry? Is he nostalgic? Sarcastic? Is he in love? Or is he heartbroken? Let your emotional reaction guide your interpretation. Step 2. Find the speaker. Who is the speaker in this poem? Is it the poet themselves or a fictional persona? Don't assume every eye is the author. For example, in Robert Browning's My Last Duchess, it's a manipulative duke speaking, not Browning himself. Understanding the speaker gives you an insight into the poem's voice, its perspective, and also the motive. Step 3. Structure and style. Now, ask yourself, is it a sonnet or a free verse or an ode? Rhyme schemes, line breaks, and stanza patterns can all reveal deeper meanings. Is the structure neat and controlled or it fragmented and chaotic? That reflects the emotion too. Take Dylan Thomas's Do Not Go Gentle into That Good Night. The repeating lines of the poem reflect his obsession, his resistance, and grief. Step 4. Literary devices. Now look for the tools the poet uses: metaphors, similes, irony, imagery, personification. All of these shape meaning. Ask yourself, what is being compared and why? In Sylvia Plath's Mirror, the mirror is not just glass, it's a metaphor for truth, for time, and self hatred. Every poetic device is a deliberate choice. The last and the most important step: meaning and message. What's the poem really about? Beyond the words, what's the central theme? Is it love, death, war, aging? Is it identity or memory? Poetry always goes beyond the surface. But remember, there is no single right interpretation. You can have your own perspective. You are free. What matters is, can you support your reading with lines from the poem? Evidence turns opinions into analysis. Time for the bonus step, the PPT formula. I always give this to my students. Use it, the PPT formula: poem, poet, and theme. If you can connect these three clearly, you've already won half the battle. And one question to ask when you are stuck: why did the poet choose this exact word? That one question will open up everything. Thank you so much for listening. If this helped you, share it among your friends and someone who's afraid of poetry. Subscribe to the channel and drop a comment telling me your favorite poem or poet. See you the next time.